Ladies and gentlemen of the digital jury, I'm going to say something here that's pretty controversial, but I'm going to stand by it. I think there's a better option than Etsy to sell your digital designs. Yes, I know I'm going to burst into flames because the digital design gods are going to strike me down. However, hear me out. I think Etsy has a major problem. One, there's a ton of competition, and that means that you've got listings on Etsy that are like $1, 50 cents. You've got huge bundles that are worth, hundreds of dollars that are selling for pennies on the dollar. It's so competitive. So how do you actually make money on Etsy? Well, maybe you don't. Maybe another option in addition to selling on Etsy is Creative Fabrica. Now, if you've never heard of Creative Fabrica before, I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough, and I have 3 reasons why you should sell or at least consider opening up a free store on Creative Fabrica to sell your digital designs. Let's go. All right, if we're meeting for the first time, my name is Zen and I run a channel here called Crafty Stax. And Crafty Stax has over 100 videos about ways you can up your digital designs, the ways you can sell digital designs, the way you can make your artwork spectacular. So check out my channel. It's called Crafty Stax. I'd love it if you subscribe, and I would love it if you check out some of these videos. Let's jump in to selling on Creative Fabrica. I've used Creative Fabrica for years in the print-on-demand world. So what I mean by that is you can purchase one of these bundles, for example. I'm going to click on this Mega Craft bundle. This is $8 by Design Dealy. And when I click on it, you're going to see I've got 400 different t-shirt designs that I could use for t-shirts, coffee mugs, any sort of sublimation printing. This is for print-on-demand. And you get all of these products for $8. So it's huge. So let's check out this actual seller. Here's the profile button right here. It says Design Dealy. I click on View Profile. And we can see that this person here, Design Dealy, has 4,800 plus followers and over 20,000 favorites off of about 1,200 listings. They've got a whole bunch of stuff here for sale. So reason number 1 that I like Creative Fabrica is to list on Creative Fabrica is free. It's completely free. All of these listings that anybody sells on Creative Fabrica are completely free. Etsy charges you a fee. Creative Fabrica does not. Okay, so how much can you make on Creative Fabrica? This is reason number 2. You earn up to 75% on every sale. Now, it's 75% for referrals made by you. So what that means is if somebody just finds your design organically and they buy it, you get 75%. Or 50% for every sale referred to by Creative Fabrica. So they advertise, they push out into the world certain designs, and there's a range of the commission that you can make. It could be 50%, it could be 75%. Okay, so here's a problem that I've got with Etsy, and I don't have a problem with this seller. I just picked this one at random. This is Lula Digital Art. They've got 35,000 sales. They're doing great. But what if you listed 1,000 designs on Etsy and you didn't make any sales? So you're out now $200 US a month, $300 US. This person has 152 listings and they're paying to list this on Etsy. These are beautiful thumbnails, by the way. I love this store. However, they're paying upwards of 150 times 20 cents to list these items. They're paying every month. On Creative Fabrica, they could, if they wanted to, they could list that stuff for free. Here's another concern I've got, and I'm just using this shop as an example because they're a very successful shop. Look at the price points. 370 Christmas bundle for $6, 80 for $5. These price points are really, really low. $6, $5, $4. Sometimes you'll see stuff for like $1 or $2. So if you're upset or if you're frustrated or if you're demotivated because of low price points, because of low margins, then Creative Fabrica can be a great solution for you. And the reason I say that is there's a subscription, and a lot of people just wind up buying this subscription on Creative Fabrica. So here, for example, for $29 US a month, they get everything in the store. So that means they get access to every single cut file, every single embroidery design, all the fonts, all the graphic assets. So what that means is if you list on Creative Fabrica, you get a tiny slice of that subscription revenue. even if nobody downloads your designs. It's simply a fraction. If you have five designs uploaded, 100 designs uploaded, 1,000 designs uploaded, the amount you get paid every month would increase because you have some listings on Creative Fabrica. There's so much to sell on Creative Fabrica. You've got all of these different categories. You really could find niches in here. And because people have this subscription, they're more apt to take a chance and download something they otherwise may not buy. See, if you're on Etsy and I'm like, $5 for this Christian bundle, maybe I don't want to spend $5, it's too risky. Well, if this was part of my subscription, you can download it risk-free. Because if I had the subscription, I'd just be like, well, I'll just download anything and everything that I want to use. And if I don't like it, I'm not really out anything. Now, if they download it, you would still get revenue. So you get revenue if somebody buys something. You get revenue if a subscriber downloads something. And you get revenue even if nobody downloads anything. So to me, selling on Creative Fabrica is a no-brainer. Even if you sell on Etsy, there's no downside to also selling on Creative Fabrica. Now I'm going to put a link to Creative Fabrica in the video description below so you can check it out in more detail. Just a heads up, it is an affiliate link. And what that means is if you were to purchase something on Creative Fabrica, I would receive a small commission. However, to set up a store is completely free. You would scroll down to the bottom and it says here, Open Store. It's right there at the bottom under links. Now you will have to link your online portfolio to Creative Fabrica. There's a process here you'd apply to sell on Creative Fabrica. So you can open your shop, link to something like a Redbubble shop if you've got that, link to a Behance portfolio, link to your Etsy store if you're already selling on Etsy. And they'll review that and they will approve or reject you selling on Creative Fabrica. So do put your best foot forward when you apply because you want to show them that you're capable of creating world-class fonts, graphics, mock-ups, logos, coloring pages for low-content books, all sorts of things. And the revenue could be unlimited. Now, obviously, when you start out, you're going to need to build up your portfolio, but they pay you instead of you paying to play on Etsy. You can sell, you can be part of the Creative Fabrica creator community. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Check it out in more detail down below. And if you've got any questions or comments, feel free to throw them down below and I'll do my best to answer them. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. Take care.